Are we just going straight up the left?
Dude, I guess.
Alright, so I'll go behind him.
Yeah. Hi, ready.
Okay.
Hi, ready.
Alright, we're behind you. You gotta.
Oh, what is this? The train?
Grab onto you.
Paint train, DMR. DMR, please.
Watch out! Corner!
Bang, bang. I got you. You
You gotta get behind him.
Nice.
ready? Hey, you get that one? Shout me when you get it.
I got your right side. You alright?
Down low. Bang, bang. Oh, you got me?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, you.
We're not very good at it. You gotta shield it up.
Good. Fuck him, fuck him. Fuck him.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Bronco B! That actually worked very well. Let's go left instead of the open.
There's a guy right here.
Go. You gotta be on him. I'm out.
Get someone on me.
Yeah.
Sounds nice, sounds nice.
There's a guy right here too.
Inside. You wanna fight him?
Yeah, let's go. No, right, left, left, left. Bang, 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 bang. I got hit in the throat. I got killed. Stray bullet.
I'm alive. Okay. Right there.